I've come to see that overparenting or hyperparenting or even micromanaging your kids could be a trauma response. Let me explain. When my kids were small, I was definitely a hyper-vigilant parent, and I wanted to be the perfect mom. Many years later, I came to see that my own childhood experiences of abandonment and being left to my own devices so much of the time caused a pendulum response in me where I was defended around the idea of being a perfect parent. Having our kids be the top priority in their lives is, of course, a valuable goal, but we want to make sure that we're not unconsciously projecting our own fears, wounds, or past traumas onto our kids and having it impact our relationship with them. Children must be given more and more independence in order to leave the nest whenever that's going to be, feeling confident and secure in making decisions that they made. And what I learned is that the more I healed, the more comfortable I became in allowing them to walk their own path and forge their own journey.